Where are we, Rebecca? We're in the zoo.
Take the exit on the left.
Hello guys, we are here at the zoo and you can see Zach sleeping soundly. Now we got our zoo tickets free only because of this. Okay, once you go in, you have to book your tickets quickly. So if you want a QR code ahead of time, here it is. You're welcome! So is this an alligator or crocodile? How do you know it's an alligator? Just now what you say? Because of the beak! So alligators have a big beak. Spot the similarity. Asian small clawed otters. Now why are their names like our friends' names? Hey Chloe! Aming's restaurant. How's the meal?
Great.
Great! Alright. Look at what baby's doing. Hello baby! Wow, the rich people take this. The poor people walk. Hey bye boy, we're gonna see the most dangerous animal, the white tiger. You look thoughtful. How's the hippo, boy? You like the hippo? Where's the tiger? Alright, we found the tiger. This is backside. The Babi Rusa. Hey baby, where's mommy off to? She's here to find some ice cream, but she says she's only there to see it. Look at the smile on her face. Nothing. Is there? Oh my goodness, that's why it's dangerous to see stuff, guys. Look at that happy lady. Whoa. The best part about having ice cream is that we can unmask. This girl just said that the animal we saw was a fake one. It does look very fake, but it's moving. The promiscuous monkey. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let's look what it says. So the large hanging nose is actually used to attract females. And that's pretty interesting, right? Well, sadly, my nose isn't big enough to attract any of them, so they stayed really far away from us. Oh, look at that nose! Dangling.
Wait, I see a bug behind you.
There's a place for our boy. So we're here going to Asian elephant, then to the rainforest show, and then to Splash Safari. Look who's camping in the zoo.
Baby, what happened? Who stole your fan?
Hey baby. Hey baby, look at yourself. Hey baby. Wow. We are finally at the elephant trail. Are you excited to see the elephant? But guess what? It was really smellier than we thought.
There aren't as many tree kangaroos in the wild as there used to be. People.
This tram service is very good. 10 upon 10 will recommend. There's a fan
The
for your
elephants
baby.
in Singapore Zoo are Asian. They figure out how to walk around it or step
Heating this
over
up for
it
Zach.
to keep them strong and stimulate their muscles.
Do look out the cassowary.
What is Zach smiling at?
Not an animal.
Not an animal,
Button.
but an emergency stop
For the
button.
primate kingdom, where you can see different kinds of monkeys living on islands with lots of produce.
That's
Such
why
good
they
baby
put
service.
Micaiah and Nupella together.
Hello everyone. So actually the tram is very worth it because you can take it unlimited number of times and you can get off and even get on at later time. All you need to do is to show them the ticket again, and each ticket costs only $5 for an adult. Not only that, you can load your prams here if you have a baby like us. Right, so it's pretty worth it. And the interval between each tram is only 5 minutes. Okay, so you can alight and you can take the next tram and it should come within 5 minutes.